We've been riding this thing around, testing it out. If you're looking for a sub $800 price range e-bike, this is something you might want to consider. It's got a 750 watt motor on it, which that's a great, to have that extra power on it. The removable battery, it is a folding e-bike, so it folds in half. You can store it in your trunk or the bay of your bus, etc. The handlebars fold down as well with that little latch right there. It's got pedal assist, full e-bike capability. The throttle on it is the twist here, just like some of the others. The shifting is very similar here. Brakes, just like the other ones, they got the disc brakes on them. It has the 4-inch fat tires on it. It'll handle 300 pounds, and I'll go for a ride on it here on the property. I think this is rated at 55 pounds, something like that too, the weight on the back there. The front suspension on it has a lot of give to it. Headlight, horn, that kind of stuff. But yeah, if you're looking for an e-bike that's affordable, this one's definitely in that, for a beginner e-bike. It has all the features that you're going to be looking for. So we'll go take you for a ride here on the property and show you how it does. So it has a top speed of 28 miles an hour, a range of around 40 to 50 miles. Depends on how much pedal assist you're doing and how much you weigh and the terrain, hills and stuff that you're on. It's quiet, quick. I'm only doing this one-handed right now, so I'm not going that fast. About 9 miles an hour. I'll make this up. So it'll handle, with these big fat tires, it'll handle any kind of rocks and stuff. This isn't, riding it one-handed, just hold a camera, and this isn't the safest thing to do, but the throttle is very responsive on it. The braking is good, it handles nice. It's comfortable to ride. For under $800, I think that's pretty impressive. So with the pedal assist, if I start pedaling, it starts accelerating all on its own, man. So it really gives you a nice little kick in the pants when you want to do that. So you can see I've been riding it about 4 miles total. That's a pretty good little test on it. I took it down the road to the neighbor's farm and it climbed a really good hill. The 750 watt motor is real powerful. And if you're looking for a folding e-bike, like I said, something that's affordable, this is something maybe consider. We've got a few other e-bikes that we're reviewing and stuff too. We're having fun with them, but this one I think is the most affordable one that we have, especially in the 750 watt motor category. Some of the features that it has too, like the disc brakes that are on it, they're not hydraulic. Some of the other more expensive bikes are. I don't think it has a brake light. Well, maybe it does. So it has a light up tail light, but I don't think that's a brake light. I think when I pull the brakes, looks like the headlight's on that it's on, so I turn it off and squeeze the brakes, and yeah, nothing comes on there. Maybe it's not because it's moving, I don't know. I don't think that would come on, because I don't think it's actually a brake light. So it doesn't have all the features that some of the other ones have, but the price is there. I don't know why that wouldn't have a brake light. It has 5 different pedal assist modes, powers on there. It has a trip odometer. And the odometer, some other information on there. It tells you your battery level right here. It's really easy to turn on and off. There is a key on it. And the battery is actually, like I said before, is stored inside of here. So you don't actually see an extra spot for the battery. That's why it's a little bit larger there, because the battery slides inside. 48 volt. But yeah, it's a decent entry-level e-bike. We haven't had any issues with this one whatsoever. And if you're looking for something, you know, maybe check it out or research it a little bit more, something you might be interested in. So I've been riding the bike off-road. It's been doing real well. For the lower price entry-level bike, I think it's a decent bike. Let's go take it for a test drive and see if it'll climb the hill. It won't climb the hill. I tried. That was rough. We do have other 750 watt bikes that will actually climb the hill with me on it, pedaling. In first gear, I was down in 1 and it should have done it. This one will not. Doesn't even come close. There was no way. We did have to adjust the brakes right out of the box. There wasn't, they weren't engaging enough. There was too much slop in them. That's just an adjustment. But these brakes rotors seem very thin compared to some of the other bikes that I have too. I would say the weakest link of this bike is probably the brakes. They develop a little bit of a squeak, but that's probably the weakest link, I think, is the brakes. Okay, so Jonathan is unpacking the GELEISEN bike here. We'll see how easy this thing is to install this morning. It looks like it's packaged securely in there. Lots of foam, thick foam. Want to just lift it out of there, or what? Not lift out of there?
Try. There's a box back there.
Yeah. That came out pretty easy. Is there a kickstand on your side they can go down there? Without the front wheel?
Kickstand down, but
Yeah, without the front wheel holding it up high, it doesn't lean the right way.
you may just want to take the kickstand and put it back up and take the front wheel on.
One pair of side cuts, or you got your...
I think those blades kind of dull.
No shortage of zip ties in there. That is ridiculously long.
That's what I was thinking.
What does it
7
say?
foot long, you can ride this bike.
Yeah. Don't hurt yourself. That is the longest seat thing I've ever seen. That would be funny. That's so good. That's awesome. It looks like unpacking it is going to be the longest part of assembly. I like the white wall tires, or the white lettering on the tires. That bolt in the track is not supposed to be able to spin.
Okay.
It
Seems
is.
like all of them are doing the exact same thing.
Is that the last zip tie?
I think so. There's one more.
Those are not going to be able to be cut out.
You can grab them later,
Okay.
but I'll throw the hardware that I took off back on. That go through?
Yeah. Is that tight there?
Should be. Nope, there's more.
One, oh, yeah, one more zip tie. Okay, let's put that front wheel on first. I think that's the big one.
Sit on it.
I don't know if it will. I'll just hold it. Okay. That, I believe, is just there to protect it during shipping, right?
I think so.
It's probably a wrench in the box that tires open right now. I'm sure it came with the tool.
All right, clean the zip ties. In case you need some more.
Is that, oh, that's just a protecting thing.
Oh,
You pull
that's-
those, yeah, you gotta pull those off. One on this side too. Just putting the pedals on. You need a wrench probably to tighten. Just make sure that that goes right between the brake caliper. There might be a little, sometimes they put a little spacer in there to keep it from getting used.
So, those together? No.
Prob- One washer on each side,
Yeah.
and it's got a little lock tab, so you gotta go a little extra big. Oh, this side's not right. You're hitting that washer there. I think they both go on the outside, don't they? That's what the directions. I think you gotta take the nuts all the way off, maybe.
Look like this right in.
Okay, looks like I can go up if yours can.
Right in the caliper over there?
Yeah,
with the-
nope, that's, there we go.
So locked and tab, so slow.
You got it in the hole or no?
Oh, there we go.
Does the seat feel too low or good, or it looks low for you? It's too
I
high.
think it's low.
It looked low with your feet on the pedals.
Maybe I just like to ride low.
Yeah, that's better.
Can you actually pedal it there? Mm-hmm. Okay. That was impressive. Did the chain come off? I think your tires are low. Now it works. Better?